Hello everyone, welcome to Dehya Prakashan Academy. Myself Samiksha, and today we will be learning the topic English alphabet. So this topic is from Standard 2nd English Medium. Okay. So these are some overviews and goals for learning these alphabets. Now we all know that English has 26 alphabets. In English we are having that 26 alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to Z. So total there are 26 alphabets. Now in this lecture we are going to number that alphabet from left hand side and from right hand side. We are giving them some positions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then based on that positions we are going to solve the MCQs. So in this lecture you will understand the alphabet sequence and the reverse order of the alphabets. Then let's start. So now in this what we are going to write, that we are going to list all the alphabets, that is 26 alphabet, but we are not going to take Z in this. Up to only Y we are going to write all the alphabets. So let's write it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So as I told just now only that we are not going to take Z. So let's rub the Z. Now we are going to number it from the left hand side first. So this is my left hand side, so I am going to number it from this side. So let's start numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and this will be 25. So we had numbered this letter from the left hand side. Now we have to do same from the right hand side. But now we will start counting from the Y. So start with Y. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Now we done numbering all these letters from left hand side as well as right hand side. Now here some information is given about the odd numbered letter and even number letter. Now this odd and even number letter are calculated from right hand side. Means they are not seeing the left side number, they are just seeing the right side number, and then we will get our odd number letters and our even number letters. So what is meant by odd number letter? What is meant by odd number? Odd number means the number which are not divisible by 2. Which are not divisible by 2. And what is meant by even numbers? That is the numbers which are divisible by 2. So let's take example of even and odd number. That first we will take, suppose 10. Suppose we are taking 10. Now we will see that if 10 is divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 2 or not. So now what is a 2's table? That is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. We got the 10. So 2 5s are 10. So we divided 10 by 2, and what is the remainder? That is 0. What is the remainder? That is 0. That means the number 10 is divisible by 2, means it is an even number, and the number which don't comes in 2's table or which is are not divisible by 2 are known as even number. Now let's take example of even number, that is 15. 15. Okay. So again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Now in the table of 2 there is no number, that is 15. There is no 15 number in this. So 15 is not divisible by 2. So as 15 is not divisible by 2, it is an odd number. Okay. So like this, if we will take the 25 is not in a 2's table, so it is an odd numbered letter. Then again 24. Now you can divide 24 by 2. Like 2 1s are 2, and this will be cancelled. The 4 comes down. Then 2 2s are 4. Then the remainder is 0. So 24 is divisible by 2. So it is an even number letter. So likewise, they had taken all the numbers from the left hand side and they had converted it to, that separated it into the even and odd numbers. Then let's take some MCQs based on that position we just learned. So let's start with our first MCQ. That is, what is the left position of the letter T? What is the left position of the letter T? So let's check. Where is the letter T? Here. Here is the letter T, right? Now they are asked about the left position, means left position. Now this is the right hand side and this is my left hand side. Okay. So left position, which is here 20. So coming towards the question, that is, which is the left position of the T, which we had seen just now, which is 20. So here the B contains the option 20. So the correct option will be D. Then again, let's again write same table here. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let's number this letter again, starting from left hand side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this will be, in this we are not taking Z, okay? So up to only Y. Now coming towards the next MCQ, that is, what is the letter at the left position of 24? Means we are asking what is the letter at the 24th left position. Now where is the 24 here? Where is the 24 here? Where is the 24 on the left side? Where is the 24 on the left side? Here, we got it, right? This is a 24. Now, what is the letter over here? That is X. That is X. So, here, the option A is X. So, the correct option will be AX. Then, which letter has even left and right position? Which letter has even left and right position? So let's again number this from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Now, which letter has even left and right? Now they are asking about the even number, that which letter has even left and even right. Now, which of this letter has even number on the left also and even number on the right also? So, means the number will be same on left and right? So, let's find out the letter which has the same number on the left hand side also on the right hand side also. Now, A, no, there is 1 and 25, they are not same. Then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Here is the M, which has same number on the left hand side, that is 13, and on the right hand side, that is 13 only. So the correct option will be, which will be the correct option? M is the correct option. But if we see the options here, there is no M. There is no M. So we have to find again we have to find a letter which has even numbered letter on the left also and on the right also. Now here again come to the 1. Now what is meant by even? That is divisible by 2. That is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Now here 1 A 1. Now here 25 is not divisible by 2. So the option A is not answer. Means the A is not answer. Then B. Now here in this B has 2 on the left and 24 on the right. Now these both numbers are divisible by 2. Let's check. 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. And this 24. This 2. 2 ones are 2. 0, 4 comes down. 2 twos are 4. Now this, in this B, both number are even, but there is no option B. Okay, so the B is not the answer. Now let's take the C. Now in C there is 23 and 3. These numbers are not divisible by 2. Then come to again next, that is D. Now D has the number 4 on the left and 22 on the right. 22 on the right. Now here 4 is divisible by 2 and 22 is also divisible by 2. Let's check. 2 2s are 4. 4 got divided by 2. Let's check about the 22 also. 2 1s are 2. This 2 comes down. Then again 2 1s are 2. So here D, the letter D is even number. The letter D is even number. So, but that not given the option as D. What the options we have here, that is F, G, H and E. What do we have? F, G, H and E. This letter. So, searching one by one to the all 25 letters, instead of searching to the all 25 letters, we can search only this 4, because this 4 are mentioned in the option. Okay, so let's start with our F. What is the first option? That is the F. So start with F. Now search here. Here is the F. Now F has 6 on the left and 20 on the right. Now let's check if these both numbers are divisible by 2 or not. 2, 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 6 is divisible by 2. Then let's check the other hand side also, that is 20. So 2 1s are 2. This will become 0, this 0 down, then 2 zeros are 0. So the 20 is also divisible by 2. Means what will be our correct option? That is F. Means A, F. Let's check about others also, other options also. Then the second option we have that G. Now what does the G have on the left hand side, which is 7, and on the right hand side, which is 19. Now let's check 7 is divisible by 2 or not. So 7, 2. Now in a 2's table there is 6, but there is no 7, right? What is the 2's table? Like 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So this is the table of 2. Now let's search that if we got 7 here. So there is no 7, right? The number is 6 and 8, which is one is smaller than the 7 and one is bigger than the 7. Those 7 is not divisible by 2. So this option will be the wrong one. Then same for the H and E. Let's check. Now same for the H and E. Here the option should not be H, but here is the option I, which is the typing mistake. So what will be our correct option here? That is F. That is F. Come towards the next question, that is which letter is fifth form of the left? Which letter is a fifth from the left? Now which is the fifth letter from the left? So let's count from the left, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth. So E is the fifth letter from the left. E is the fifth letter from the left. So the correct option will be A, E. Okay. Then which letter is the seventh from the right side? Which letter is the seventh from the right side? So now we have to count it from right side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is the letter from the seventh from the right side, which is S. Now the correct option will be, what will be the correct option? That is S. S. That is B, S. Okay. Then the next MCQ. What is the left position of the letter W? What is the left number or left position of the letter W? Now where is W? Here. Here. Now what is the left number? What is the left number of the W? That is 23. So the correct option will be A, 23. Then again, which letter has left position 16? Now which letter has left position 16? So where is the 16? Here is the 16 left from left side, 16. Then the P has the left position at 16. The P has left position at 16. So what will be the correct answer? A, P. Then which is the third letter from right side? Which is the third letter from the right side? So from the right side, this is the first letter, this is the second letter and this is the third letter. So which is the third letter from the right side? That is W. So the correct option will be A, W. Then what is the left position? What is the left position of the ninth letter from the left? What is the left position of the ninth letter from the left? Now what we have? The question, that is what is the left position of the ninth letter? Ninth letter. Let's see the left position of the ninth letter. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. So this is the ninth letter from the left. And now what is the position of it from the left? That is 9. That is 9. So here the correct option will be A, that is 9. Then which letter comes at even left and odd right? Which letter comes at the even left position and odd right position? Means the letter which has even number on the left hand side and right hand side, it should be odd number. Okay. So they had given the options as L, K, N and J. L, K, N and J. So these are the options. So now we have to find a letter which has even number at the left and odd number at the right. So The first option that we got is L. L. So let's find the L. So here comes the L. Now L has 12 on the left and 14 on the right. Now this both numbers comes in twos table. So what is meant by this? So the left side of the L is even number and the right side of the L is also the even number. Okay, also the even number. Then again next letter is K. Next letter is K. Now let's find out the K. Here is the K. Now K has 11 on the left and 15 on the right. Now K has 11 on the left and 15 on the right. So here 11 is not divisible by 2 as well as 15 is also not divisible by 2. So it is, this one is the odd, left side is odd and also right side is also odd. So let's come to a next option which was N. Let's find out N. Here is the N. Now here left hand side N has 14 and on the right hand side N has 12. Now these both numbers are divisible by 2. So left hand side it has 14 which is divisible by 2. So left hand side is even and the right hand side which is 12 which is also divisible by 2. So it also has even number on the right hand side. Then J. Then the option is J. Now J also has the 10 and 16. Now 10 and 16 both the numbers are divisible by 2. So again here even and even. So even and even. Now which letters comes at even left and odd right? Now here even left and odd right. So let's check what we got. So these are our answers, right? That no one of them have got even on the left and odd on the right. So here the four options, there is no answer. Okay, there is no answer. If in exam there will be no correct answer given in the option, there is always an option that is none of them, none of them, none of them. So you have to take the option D, which is none of them. Then these questions are for your homework. Take the screenshot of these questions. Now what you have to do is you have to write all the letters up to Y, position them from the left hand side and from the right hand side also, and you have to solve these questions based on that alphabets. Okay. Now how will you do these questions? That you have to write again the letters, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. And now you have to position them from the left hand side and also from the right hand side. From left hand side you have to start with 1. You have to start with A, and from when you are numbering the letters from the right hand side, you have to number it from this Y. Okay, this Y. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and from right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to we have to go same till 8. Okay, same till 8. So this is your homework. Now let's take an overview that what we had seen in this lecture. So first we had seen how many letters are there in the alphabets, which are total 26 letters, in which for this exercise we are only considering the letters up to Y. Okay, so what were the goals of these lectures? That we understood the ordering is the sequence of the alphabets from A to Y and the reverse order of the alphabets. Okay, and we also had solved this. We also prepared this chart which consider the letters from A to Y, and also we gave them the numbering from the left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, then we solved this MCQ based on that chart. Okay, and then here comes your homework. Thank you.